bottom, top. The same.
How do you know if it's not working or damaged?
You can test it.
Yeah, good thing. I'm gonna bring that too.
This is all you need to remove a starter. The air filter box, the battery holder, the fuse box, and this is where the starter is located, right here. So this is our new starter. This is the gasket we're using, and as you can see, this is where it goes, right there in that location. So now we're gonna try to move a little bit this hose to make enough space. We're gonna align the new starter, and after we're gonna tighten these two bolts. It's a 14mm socket. So now we're gonna put it back in this place. So the first one is back. Now I'm gonna tighten the bolt. So once the starter is back, we start tightening those bolts. As you can see, one it's right there on the top, and after another one on the bottom. Make sure the gasket sits in its place. Starter is aligned. Once you align it, there are two pins that will go inside. You will feel it when it sits in its right place. So after you tighten the bolt on the top, you can go and tighten the bolt on the bottom as well. So here goes the second bolt. You're gonna tighten it as well. You can start to tighten it with your fingers so you feel and make sure it goes on the right thread. And after, you can take an extension. I'm gonna use a shorter one for this one. And the socket. Okay, let's go back to finish what we started. So now we can use this extension, tighten it, and when it goes hard, we're gonna use a ratchet. I can tighten little by little both of them. On the top, we're gonna use a long extension again. Now we're gonna do 43 foot per pound on each bolt. So once the starter is tightened back, you can connect this plug and you put back the positive terminal. You tighten this nut. It can be 12mm or it can be 13mm most of the time. So we're good here. Now we're gonna install back the battery holder. I'm gonna tighten all the bolts. So this is our battery holder that is gonna go in first here on the bottom. With these wires, it will go right in its place. Okay, so now we're gonna start tightening the bolts. And this is how it sits, like this. The battery holder is back, the fuse box is back. Now we're gonna install the air filter box and the battery, and we're gonna start the car.